Dear all, welcome back to my channel Biology Notes. Today I will discuss about the histology of blood, means the cellular components of human blood. Contents of the video include what is blood, composition of blood, histology of blood means the general properties of erythrocytes or RBCs, leukocytes or WBCs and platelets. Blood is a body fluid of human and other animals that delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transports metabolic waste products away from those same cells. Vertebrate blood is bright red when its hemoglobin is oxygenated and dark red when it is deoxygenated. This is a diagram showing composition of whole blood. Blood is a specialized connective tissue consisting of cells and fluid extracellular material called plasma. Collected blood in which clotting is prevented by the addition of anticoagulants can be separated by centrifugation into different layers that reflect its heterogeneity. Erythrocytes comprise the sedimented material and their volume normally about 44% of total blood volume in healthy adults, and it is called the hematocrit. The straw-colored, translucent, slightly viscous supernatant comprising 55% at the top half of the centrifugation tube is the plasma. Plasma consists of water, which is about 92% by weight. Proteins, which is 7% by weight, include albumin, globulin, fibrinogen, and regulatory proteins. Other solutes, which is 1% by weight, include electrolytes, nutrients, respiratory gases, waste products, etc. A thin grey-white layer called the buffy coat between the plasma and the hematocrit, about 1% of the volume, consists of leukocytes and platelets. Leukocytes are 5 types, namely neutrophils, lymphocytes, monocytes, eosinophils and basophils. So this is all about the general composition of blood. As the topic is histology of blood, so I will discuss only the cellular components of blood. This is a diagram of erythrocytes or red blood corpuscles or RBC. Erythrocytes are biconcave discs without nuclei. Human erythrocytes are 7.5 micrometer in diameter, 2.6 micrometer thick at the rim and 0.8 micrometer thick in the center. They lose their mitochondria, ribosomes and many cytoplasmic enzymes during maturation. They can survive in the circulation for about 120 days. The main role of RBC is to transport of gases like oxygen and carbon dioxide from the lungs to the tissues and to maintain systemic acid-base equilibria. This is a diagram of basophil. Nucleus is less heterochromatic and divided into irregular lobes, but the division is usually obscured by the overlying specific granules. Presence of granules of irregular size and contain heparin and histamine. Basophils are about 12 to 15 micrometer in diameter, lifespan 3 days to 1 week. They may supplement the function of mast cells in immediate hypersensitivity reactions by migrating into connective tissues. This is a diagram of eosinophil. Nucleus is bilobed. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex and mitochondria are poorly developed. Glycogen particles are relatively abundant. presence of many large and elongated refractile specific granule. Diameter of eosinophil is 12 to 15 micrometer. Lifespan 3 weeks. Eosinophilic functions include movement to the inflamed areas, trapping substances, killing cells, antiparasitic and bacterial activity, allergic reactions and inflammatory responses. This is a diagram of neutrophil. Nucleus consists of 2 to 5 lobes linked by fine thread of chromatin. Cytoplasm has abundant granules. They also contain glycogen. Diameter of neutrophil is about 12 to 15 micrometer. Lifespan 1 to 4 days in connective tissues. Constitute a defense against invasion of microorganisms, especially bacteria. This is a diagram of lymphocytes. Presence of spherical nucleus. Chromatin is condensed and appears as a quartz clumps so that the nucleus is intensely stained in the usual preparation. Cytoplasm is scanty and in the blood smears it appears as a thin rim around the nucleus. Cytoplasm contains few azurophilic granules, mitochondria, Golgi complex, etc. Lymphocytes with diameter of 6 to 8 micrometer are known as small lymphocytes, but medium to large lymphocytes may range diameter up to 18 micrometer. Lifespan of B lymphocyte ranges from 4 days to 5 weeks and lifespan of T lymphocyte ranges from months to years. Lymphocytes have diverse functional roles, all related to immune reactions in defending against invading microorganisms, foreign macromolecules, and cancer cells. This is a diagram of monocyte. Nucleus is oval, horseshoe or kidney shaped and is generally centrally placed. Cytoplasm contains frequently distributed very fine granules called lysosome. Cytoplasm also contains a small quantity of rough endoplasmic reticulum, polyribosomes, small mitochondria and Golgi complex, etc. Diameter varying from 12 to 20 micrometer, lifespan 10 to 20 hours. Monocytes serve three main functions in the immune system. These are phagocytosis, antigen presentation and cytokine production. This is a diagram of platelet. These are non-nucleated disc-like cell fragments. Detailed structure shows platelet contains coat or membrane, microtubules, surface connecting tubule, mitochondria, glycogen, alpha granule, dense granule, etc. Diameter 2 to 4 micrometer. Lifespan of about 10 days. They promote blood clotting and help repair gaps in the walls of blood vessels, preventing loss of blood. This is a table showing the size and frequency which is differential count of blood cells are presented. You take some time and read carefully. So this is all about very brief general discussion on histology of blood. I hope you all understand. If you have any query, then write in the comment section. Subscribe my channel, like and share the video. Press the bell icon for notification. Stay with us. Keep watching. Thank you.